Hello everyone. My name is Zubi Rizvi. I am in charge of a play school, Al Barkat Play Learn Center at Aligarh, India. I feel happy that I am associated with children's education as they are the seeds of the future grown-up trees. It is rightly said, creativity is the key to success in future, and primary education is where teachers can bring creativity in children at that level. With these golden words of APJ Abdul Kalam, I share my thoughts in my article Aims and Objectives of Early Education. So, let's start with the introduction.
Introduction. Early education is beneficial for children ages 2 plus to 6 plus. It is commonly known as preschool, kindergarten, daycare, nursery school, or early education. No matter what the name is, each serves the same purpose to prepare young minds for their transition to elementary school. The primary target of the kindergarten education gets socially acceptable behavior. The child should get accustomed to sharing activities, learning to take turns, and respecting the privacy and belongings of others. Education is not preparation of life, but life itself. It should be given opportunities for natural work by taking the children close to nature. The child gets free and natural environment where they learn different things naturally. It will be helpful in making them a nature loving person. Functions and importance of early education. Kindergarten provides an opportunity to learn and practice the essential social, emotional problem solving and study skills that children will use throughout his schooling. Kindergarten is helpful in taking out the inner abilities, interest of kids and help them in becoming a real man. Make the children aware of their culture, character and tradition to enable the individual to establish right related with life. Needs of children. We can't make the aims and objectives of a particular things without keeping the need in mind. Children need some things from childhood like attention and care, security and safety, smiles, talking and listening, taking care of feelings and belongings, rewards and special treatment, praises and freedom, desire to learn new things. Objectives and aims of preschooling. Development of children to be righteous, intelligent, and healthy individuals, physically, mentally, and spiritually. Number two, education and train children to be independent and strong, learning to share things. Number three, training of hygienic and healthy habits such as dressing, toilet habits, washing, and cleaning. Number four, learning of manners and etiquettes to be socially acceptable. Number 5. Encourage child's curiosity about his environment and surroundings. Number 6. Developing vocabulary. Number 7. Develop the concept of right and wrong. Number 8. Try to develop creative and aesthetic sense among children like music, dance, sense of appreciation for like flowers, birds and butterflies. Number 9. Develop school readiness. Number 10. Encouraging children in participating extracurricular activities and games. Number 11. To develop the capability of expressing thought and feelings clearly and accurately. Number 12. To give opportunities for self-expression which encourage them to be independent and creative. Number 13. A child-centered approach for teaching. Number 14. Give stress on learning by doing. Number 15. Try to inculcate virtues of discipline and feeling of positivity among children. Number 16. Curriculum of kindergarten should be flexible and according to kids and can be changed from time to time according to the need of society. Number 17. Practice of eye and hand coordination like holding pencils, turning pages, painting, printing, clay molding, etc. Number 18. Focus on gross motor skills such as kicking, rolling, jumping and standing on one leg. Number 19. Learning balance on bicycle and tricycle. Number 20. The child should develop a respect for national symbols like flag and national anthem. Importance of preschool. Kindergarten provides your school Kindergarten provides your child with an opportunity to learn and practice the essentials of life. The development of cooperation, of self-esteem, cooperation, patience, curiosity can be possible with a good preschooling. In modern times, play and learn activities are make important contributions to preschoolers' literacy development. In play, children express and represent their ideas, learn to interact with others, and practice newly acquired abilities and knowledge. From the above discussion, we can conclude that the importance of kindergarten in our modern times are priceless. And to achieve the aims and objectives, proper guidance is must. Effective teachers are the necessity to fulfill the aim and objectives of kindergarten. Teachers present a concept in a planned and structured way where kids explore, manipulate, and use ideas in centers and become capable to fulfill the objectives of preschool.